Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Mitsubishi Mirage G4, GLX, 1.2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 35,000 kilometers mileage, first owned, well-maintained, plate ending 0, keyless entry, clean interior, thick tires, central lock, fog lights, original spare key, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 448,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 79,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2023) model Hyundai Creta GL, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 6,000 kilometers mileage, plate number 9, first owner, power window, airbags, fuel economy, leather seat, push start, steering controls, power retractable, alloy mags, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 888,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 138,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2018) model Honda City E, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 52,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, casa maintained, cold aircon, plate ending 8, touchscreen monitors, multimedia controls, fog lamps, dash camera and backup camera, all power, complete set of tools jack at spare tire, cash price, 538,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 100,000 pesos, chattel at insurance all included. (2023) model Hyundai Palisade, 2.2-liter diesel engine, automatic transmission, 12,000 kilometers mileage, First owner, Casa maintained, imported unit, downhill assist, traction control, 360 drive assist sensors, lane keeping assist, smart keyless entry, push start, run flat tires, upgraded mags, power tailgate, parking sensors, reverse camera, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 2,738,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 610,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2020 model Subaru WRX eyesight, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 48,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, all-wheel drive, Casa maintained, push start, daytime running lights, touchscreen monitor, premium leather seats, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 1,258,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 233,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included. (2017 model Honda CR-V, V, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 51,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, well-maintained, plate ending 5, rear camera, SRS airbags, side visor, steering controls, alloy mags, complete set of tools jack at spare tire. Cash price, 658,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 153,000 pesos. Chattel at insurance all included.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.